Alright, Surfing Pikachu. Garchomp. Second V, nice and nice. Let's go.
What's up guys, welcome to Tyler's Donuts. Today we're going to be opening up more Pokemon cards from ETBs.
That's right guys, welcome back to another video. Yep, Phoebe's right, we're going to be opening up some Elite Trainer boxes. We've actually got two to open up today. First time for us to open up these Elite Trainer boxes. But yeah, pretty much we are on holidays at the moment. Like we said, we are at the entrance, which is an hour and 20 minutes drive from our place. It's a coastal area. You'll see the highlights video after this on a up and coming video that we're going to be putting out. We have come here to celebrate our youngest in the family's birthday, Zeke. Here he is. So yeah, it's the baby of the baby of the family's birthday. He turned 3, and we thought, what a better way to celebrate it than going out and for a weekend away. So we've been here since Friday. It is Sunday night, so we've got one more night to go. Drive back tomorrow, Monday morning. But yeah, here, holidays, bit of family fun, and we thought, what a better way to start a video than to open up Pokemon Celebrations ETB. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So pretty much, yeah guys, we're gonna be opening up this first, Elite Trainer Box Celebrations.
And then we'll open up this.
Yep, we will be opening up the ETB Astral Radiance box. Let's go, let's go. Alright, cool, cool, cool. But anyways, first of all, just to kick off the celebrations for Zeke's birthday, we're gonna open up the celebrations box. We will tell you what's inside of it, which comes with 10 Pokemon booster packs, 4 cards per booster pack, 5 additional Pokemon TCG booster packs, 1 special foil card with Greninja, sleeves, energies, a player's guide, rulebook, dice, coin, markers, and then pretty much, yeah, comes with some markers.
Oh, cool. And
pretty much the box that holds everything in it. Also a code card. But anyways guys, let's not waste any time. We've been hanging to open up cards as we've been away for the last couple of days. Let's get to it, shall we? Do this.
that comes with markers.
Yep. Alright. Open it up, let's go. Right, player's guide. Let's open this box up. Alright. This is what's inside. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Rulebook. The markers, dice. Let's get to the good stuff, shall we? That's it. We just came for the cards. Alright. So, here's the special foil card, Greninja. Nice and nice. It's ready in the plastic. We'll sleeve that up in a bit. Alright, here's the celebration packets, which we'll be opening up first. Then we also have one Vivid Voltage, and 4 Chilling Rains. But we shall start off first with the celebrations packs. Let's get to it. Let's do this. Alright, first packet. Let's go. First time for us opening up these packs, so we're unsure what we're going to be getting. Hopefully. Alright. Let's go. Cleffa, and Pikachu. Was that the 4? Yeah, that's the 4. Alright. Cool and cool. Pick it for the first pull. Second pack. Alright. Professor's Research. Cool and cool. Alright. Let's go. Jugia. Nala. Alright. So pretty much only 25 in the set. But we ordered a few more other celebration stuff, so hopefully we can get the whole set, Phoebes.
Yeah.
But if not, we shall hunt for the rest. Alright. Yeah. Ooh, pretty much similar cards. Yeah, so yeah guys, we've been here since Friday afternoon, and the whole time we've been here it's just been pretty much swimming, beach and eating, which is good. Kids are having a lot of fun, we're enjoying it. Alright, surfing Pikachu. Let's go. Nice. Yeah, so that's pretty much all we've been doing. But yeah, so Friday, Saturday, today's Sunday. Pretty much just woke up, went down to the water park with the little ones, which you will see in our highlights video. Alright, Dark Gyarados and Professor's Research. Nice. Yeah, so we went to the water park today with the little ones. Phoebe, Isaiah and Zeke just went out for a little swim. I just went around just to get some video footage of the place, so you can sort of have an idea of what the entrance looks like. Yeah, so the entrance is pretty much hour and 20-minute drive from Sydney. Yeah, so we're from Sydney, well, Western Sydney. It's not that far, it's a good getaway place. This is what, as a family, this is only our second time down here at Darwin.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're probably gonna try to make it a summer thing. Summertime, make our way down here, just to check out the sights. Yeah, Mew. Alright, our fridge making a bit of noise. Uh-oh. Let's go. Hey. Garchomp. Second V. Nice and nice. Let's go. Woo.
Yeah, our last packet.
Yep, and we're down to our last pack.
But we do have what? I think these are
Energies.
That's just Pikachu cards.
Alright, let's go. Not bad, not bad. That was pretty cool, like the artworks from these packs.
Yeah.
We're not even sure what's actually rare or not, but yeah, we're gonna scope it out once we get home. Anyways, to keep it going, let's do this. What do you reckon? Vivid Voltage first, Phoebes?
Yeah.
Vivid Voltage first, let's go. I could hear Ziki with mum. Bit upset, not sure why. Alright. Let's go. 4. Let's do 4 right here.
Energy. Oh.
Hey, Orbital V. and Trumbeak reverse. Cool and cool. Yeah. So like we said, it was little Zeki's. Wait, first Chilling Rain. Let's go. So like we said, it was little Zeki's birthday. It is his 3rd birthday. Energy. Alright, second packet, let's go.
I have another little brother and he hates Pokemon.
Who, Zaya?
Yeah.
Zaya, the little cool boy. Alright, Stingy. Alright, 3, 4.
Energy.
Chilling Rain. We've opened it a few times, but so far, Phoebe and I have not been able to get some decent pulls from Chilling Rain.
Yeah.
Might have to get a booster box or 2. See how we go with that. Lucky last pack.
And I think in our last video, we were doing like a Pokemon battle.
Yep, Phoebe and I did a little muck around battle with... Actually, I couldn't even remember which packs we've opened, but we will put it as a short. Phoebe ended up beating me as usual. Alright.
For some reason, I beat him even though he had more good ones than me.
Nah, Phoebe, you are lucky, very lucky she is. Alright, so that's pretty much it for our celebrations box. Happy birthday, Zeke Mouse. What do you reckon, Phoebes? Let's just get into it, straight away into Astral Radiance.
Yep.
Alright guys, second ETB we're going to be opening up, Astral Radiance. Let's get to it. We just want to open up some packets. Actually, let's see what's inside. 8 booster packs, Astral Radiance, sleeves of Darkrai, energies, damage, everything else, dice, coin, markers, V-Star marker. Alright. Let's see what we get out of this one, shall we?
When you first said that it has markers, I was like, oh my god, it has markers. But like, you actually meant like those little like head and tails things.
Yeah.
I thought you meant like markers, like the things that you draw with.
True. Or drawing markers. Phoebe thought we were talking about drawing markers.
It would be sick if they actually had that. Like they had Pokemon and Summit.
That's true. First thing we got, Player's Guide. Alright, let's open this box up. Love opening up. Pull it out. We got the goodies. Got the packs. The card game rules. And of course, the sleeves. They look pretty cool. Markers, V-Star, dice. Alright. Energy. First Astral Radiance packet. Here we go. Alright. No, Gary, no. Alright. Togekiss. Reverse. Cool and cool. Second packet. What's that, Phoebes? Alright. yeah, once we get back home, I will put together a highlights video of our holiday. Check out the scenery, check out the views. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright, nice and nice. Third, let's do this. And we knew it was gonna be nothing. Hippopotamus halfway. Yeah, I reckon that's a pretty cool thing about living in Sydney. There are a lot of like coastal areas, not far to drive. You can either head south coast or pretty much we've headed a bit north, which isn't too bad, but always a nice place, good beaches. Alright, yeah, there's always some nice beaches around here, places to swim, places to fish, a lot of things for the kids to do as well. Yeah, fourth last packet, flying through these elite trainer boxes. Alright, no Gary, no. Having no luck today, doll.
At least we did get some good ones.
I know. Alright. Heavy ball, which does look pretty heavy. Yeah, I know if you can see the background is pretty much the bridge to cross to the other side of the entrance. During the day, actually, you'll see, you would have seen it in the, I would have chucked some B-rolls in there. The views of this place, very nice. During the day, beautiful. Nighttime, just as good. Nice and cool as well. It's never too hot here. I thought it would have been really hot. I actually brought some fans from home, or one fan from home. All right, nice. Trainer Gallery, Kingdra, nice and nice. Second last packet. No. Glaceon's one of my favorites anyway, so it's pretty cool. Lucky last packet. Finishing up, we're gonna leave all the cards that we've got today, the decent ones. What's that? The markers?
Yeah.
Cool, it's cool.
Did you like stick to the fridge?
What is it, Bubba?
Did you stick to the fridge?
Nah, I don't think they're magnets. Lucky last. Ooh, nice. Wish us luck for a decent one. Hollow. Yeah. Sorry guys, got a bit excited. Oh, Glade, Hollow, and Mega Reverse Hollow. Alright guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. Nice and quick. 2 Elite Trainer boxes. Celebrations first, which, yeah, like we said, celebrating little Ziki Mouse's birthday. And Astral Radiance. It was our first time to open up both ETBs. I reckon they're pretty cool. Had a few decent pulls from the packets. What do you reckon, though? We've had better luck, but anyways, it was pretty cool for us to open and experience it for the first time. Don't forget, guys, we got plenty more videos as a few of our other orders have come through. We just like opening up packets. We just like collecting. Yeah, and we've got a few shorts coming up as well, which Phoebe and I are going to be putting together. She's won a few pack challenges, so she is definitely lucky. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed. And yeah, stay tuned for some more content that we got coming out, alright guys?
So if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the doorbell, bang bang, and then after that, yeah. If you enjoy this type of content, we've got plenty more coming out, a lot of family stuff as well, but yeah.
Anyways guys, that's it for now. We'll see you all next time. Bye.
Alright, see you guys.